How to fix Ethernet connection on your Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix that issue in Windows 10. If your laptop or PC is not connecting to the internet through a wired connection, we'll go through the most effective solutions one by one. So first of all, you can check the basics. Make sure your Ethernet cable is connected to your computer and your router. And you can try using a different port on your laptop to rule out the hardware issues and see if that works. Apart from that, you can restart your device. Go to the Start Windows icon. From here, look out for this power button, click on it. And look out for this restart option and restart your device many times. A quick reboot refreshes the connections. And step number 3 is you can enable the Ethernet adapter. For that, you can hit Windows plus R to run this. And here you can just go ahead and type in ncpa.cpl. After that, hit enter. And once you do, you can look out for your Ethernet cable that is connected. If it is disabled, you can right click on it and you should be finding enable option instead. You can just go ahead and click on enable and that should fix your issue. Apart from that, what you can do is you can go to settings and run the network troubleshooter. Hit Windows plus I, open up your settings, go to system, and once you are on the system, go to troubleshooter. And from troubleshooter, look out for additional troubleshooters. Select network and internet and click on run and complete the troubleshooting on your device. Another thing you can do is update or reinstall the Ethernet drivers. For that, you can go ahead and look out for device manager. Just go over here and search for device manager. And once you open it up, look for network adapters. Right here. Once you find it up, expand it and look out for your network adapters and right click on it and look out for update driver option. Update your driver. You can search automatically for drivers or browse your computers for drivers manually and update your driver. If that doesn't work, you can also install it. Right click on it. Look out for install device option. Go ahead and click on it and then restart your PC after that. And that is it. Another thing you can do is you can reset the TCP or IP stack. So you can search for CMD here and run it as administrator like this. Let me just go ahead and run it as administrator. Type in CMD, click on run as administrator. You have access, click yes. And you may just go ahead and copy these codes available, which is this one right here. We will also leave in the description. You can type these commands one by one and press enter here. Let me just show you. So you can just go ahead and enter and there it will give you this here. So you can restart your computer afterward once this is completed. And that's it. So you can try these solutions for today. And that should probably fix most Ethernet connection problems in your Windows. If this tutorial helped, make sure to hit the like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more useful fixes.